Hey Kira, look, condoms. Oh, they got Hustler. Hey, what'd you go over the line for? 4th of August, Sync the Planet 2018. Gosh, I've been waiting for this little event to be popping up sometime soon. Jeez, I've been so anxious. I've been waiting for it for a while too. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. So right now I'm just currently heading towards the location, and pretty much I'm gonna be like an hour early. I like to be early for quite a lot of things, just to make sure I've got time to prep, you know, do whatever I need to do, so on and so forth. But yeah, it's been a while since I talked to the microphone for a bit. So this Gold Coast ride is being hosted by the one and only Mr. Oz Adventure Man. Really cool guy living here on the Gold Coast also. Been to his ride last year, mate. It was actually my first ever group ride, man. I was so intimidated until I actually met the blokes, and it turned out to be an awesome experience. Yeah, so practically this event is everyone around the world at a very specific time. Yeah, you karate kicked that little button right there, bro. Just don't break it, eh? Otherwise you're gonna cost taxpayers money and I'm gonna have to pay like a $1 for it. But yeah, everyone gathers around the world roughly around the same time and rides together all as one. I know I have a couple of other international viewers that unfortunately couldn't make it here towards Queensland, Australia, right here on the Gold Coast. But hey mate, you guys are with me, so what are you guys talking about? I'll always bring you everywhere. Not when I'm in the toilet, no, definitely not in the toilet. But yeah, I can't wait, eh? I'm not gonna lie, I'm still a little bit nervous. I'm still a little itty bitty nervous. Yeah, last year's little meetup was super crazy. I think we set up a couple other fire alarms because we were red bombing so many times, but geez. This one should be very interesting. The only way to know is actually if you see another bike around here, eh? I see something. Yeah, they're definitely here. Guess I'm not the only one that's early. I'll knee drag next time. How you boys doing? I remember you from last time. Yeah. Oh, that's right. That's right. I remember you now. What's your name? Huh? Oh, let's just put it this way. I'll go by Blackmist for now. Yeah. Yeah, you remember me. Yeah. How you doing, mate?
Yeah, thanks for coming along again.
No worries at all.
Come start late bikes, especially on YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Oh, g'day, mate. Nice to meet you. Being late. Oh, mate, yeah, there's so many people I'm still trying to get used to, eh? It's just out of the blue. Definitely out of the blue. G'day, man. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Watch his antics on YouTube.
Ah. Oh, mate, it's crap. Don't watch it, please. Please. Gee, bikes turned out today. Jeez.
Yeah, fairly good turnout, I reckon. There's quite a few people said they were coming.
Oh, I wish Audi was here, eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Last year when he come up.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was quite a few people said they were coming last year, then a lot of people just didn't show up.
Yeah.
Well, what are you going to do on a fucking Saturday? Hopefully this year a few more will show up.
About half the people are probably drunk by now.
You mate with this little unicorn showing up or what? Not the unicorn. Oh, that's mad!
Oh, he'd probably be a little bit late, eh?
7.6 on it now.
Yep. Oh, cheer. Cheer. No!
Run. there is a police presence in Surfers Paradise. We're going to go to Cabell Ave and Orchid Avenue and all that. So try not to do any wheelies right in there because the cops are paying a little bit of attention to us last year with a few red boxes and stuff. But other than that, you know, you can run them up a little bit, but yeah, have a bit of fun. Don't try to break too many laws.
As soon as the red and blue lights come on, do we all run? Just scatter? Just fucking go, mate. Just go for it. Yeah.
Who's completely legal? All over.
Yeah. Don't point at me as the organiser or anything. I want nothing to do with it.
Yeah, oi, just everyone just point at this bloke.
Just right so you don't get our license plate.
Oh, we're about to get underway, but old mate's bike here won't start. No. Got quite a few guys here. Look at this. Look at this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. One's on their way. It's actually a pretty good turnout. If we can get that bike started. Oh, jeez. And that there is the Mr. Oz Adventure, the one and only. Oh, careful! See if he's good. Oh, good, bro.
That was the prize, probably. You can feel that up and back.
Push.
You need to leave it a while or?
What's that here?
Push started again? Yeah? Not looking too good. Oh. You got someone you can call?
Hey?
You got someone you can call?
No, I came in the back of you.
Oh, okay. Alright, so you're good. Yeah. Hey, you can tag along in the ute.
Then I gotta load the fucker up. That'll take a while.
I know where we're going, so I'm saying you can stay with me and we're going to run.
Shit. I feels bad for him, man. Oh. Oh, I honestly feel bad for him. Just got in, he can't ride. No. He's got it. So that's the ute there. Luckily, he's got a way up. Damn, that must suck. Alright. Attaboy. There goes everyone. Good, okay. Oh, you numbnuts. Someone adjusted my clutch. I was wondering why I couldn't go. Look at that. The dreaded orange light. Yeah, so it really sucks for that guy. couldn't get his bike started. I'm not a mechanic, so I have no idea what to do. I feel so bad.
12 seconds later.
Here we go. And we're away. This is actually pretty cool. I'm actually riding around with like hundreds of people around the world. Like seriously, we're all riding together, and I don't even like. I don't know. It's just pretty awesome. I can't even express it. It's actually awesome. All my brothers and sisters around the world. Thank you guys for making this happen. Definitely couldn't be done without you all. I'd like to say thank you to our hosts of Sync the Planet. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty bad at thank yous. You know, I'm not that good. No, right now I'd also like to do an epic edit of this Sync the Planet ride. I'm like, how awesome would it be? Like, what I'm actually gonna plan to do right now is make a raw version of this. You know, just typical edits without any music or anything like that. Just typical. One down. We got one down. It'll catch up now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make a typical raw edit of this actual video itself, and then what I'm also gonna do is actually make a epic montage of this actual ride, man. I mean, like, seriously, how cool would it be? Hey, I'm just gonna do it. You know what? I'm gonna do it. Can't say nothing about it now, guys. Cannot say absolutely anything about it. And I believe that the route is exactly the same way as last year's too, so might be a little bit different. Because we came from that road that I was just looking at and I can't see anyone there. But in the end, we're all meeting at the same spot, which I believe is in Burley. I believe it's in Burley. If it's not, then I'm in trouble because I sent one of my mates to Burley if you couldn't find us. Sorry, bro. Yeah, I have now met another 2 more subscribers, man. You guys are awesome. Thank you for coming up to this, mate. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think anyone else except for my friends would show up, and my friends aren't even here, so thank you. Yeah, I believe they're going through that way, but that's the thing, eh? As soon as a red light or an orange light pops up, it just stuffs everything up, so you sort of lose the group a little bit. But we got a general area. They did say surface, so we'll eventually find them. Oh, she just sounds good. Sounds beautiful. Sounds mint. Sounds so sexy. Yeah, we got one man down. Like, see, the biggest thing with me is I do not like leaving anyone behind. I'm sure he's familiar with the route, but I still feel bad. But I'm not sure about the exact route of this little ride. Like I said, I believe it's the same one, but I don't want to get left behind. Oh God, how embarrassing would that be? It'll be like, and then there was one, because he got lost. I cannot tell if that is a patrol car behind me. Oh, look, you're getting broken up. Oh no. Oh no. That is not a patrol car. We are sweets. Do a wheelie, mate. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. No. Naughty boy. Naughty boy. I wonder what's going on in your group right now. Saturday nights. Gotta love it.
Hey, nice place, faggot.
Yeah, I feel extremely bad for that one bloke who got left behind. Hey Michael, I swear it was you that played with my clutch lever, mate. For a moment I thought my clutch is actually gone. And I've burnt, as bad as it sounds, I've actually burnt a clutch on this bike before, yeah, so, and I got a new one, and here we go. Hello there! Hey, where are you?
Yeah.
Alright, so pretty much we're doing a surface run at the moment, if you know where that is. We're next to Condom Kingdom. I know you do. Hey Kira, look, condoms. Oh, they got Hustler. Well, traffic's kind of slowing us down, so we'll be here for a little bit. No foot down, guys. Yeah, no, just come through, stay on the phone. I'm going to be vlogging at the same time too, so it'll sound a bit weird. So, so that way I can tell you exactly where I am, and then you just catch us up there.
With